Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick assist video. Is your iPhone currently on light mode? What I mean by light mode is that everything you open is going to be white. So for example, right now everything is white. So if I want to get it to dark mode, and you may have seen this on some of your friends' iPhones, where everything's black, this is what you have to do. So first go to settings. From settings, we're going to go display brightness. And then as soon as we open that, we'll see that there's light and then there's dark. So this is how you change into dark mode. So then once you do that, everything will turn black. And on top of that, this actually does help save some of the battery usage. So go ahead and try that out. Once again, it's go to settings. From settings, go to display brightness. And then you can switch between light or dark. All right, guys. So go ahead and try that at home. I hope this video helps. Please consider liking, subscribing. It always helps the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.